So why are some US embassies and consulates are canceling visa interviews without notice? And some embassies are requiring full sets of documents before scheduled interviews. New policies ahead. If you're waiting for your visa interview or you're in the process of getting one, this video is just for you. Hello everybody and welcome back to Immigration Channel. In this video, we'll talk about some trends where clients are scheduling their interviews and getting their interviews canceled. This is happening specifically for clients that already had their visas canceled and now they're scheduling follow-up interviews, and those interviews are automatically canceled by the US Embassy. Also, we'll talk about the new policy that is starting in one embassy and is going to move to other embassies from May 19 about bringing a full set of documents to your interview, or that interview will be canceled on the spot. You need to know this if you're going through the interview process right now or about to get an interview next few months, or a family member is going through that process. So let's start with visa cancellation. So we have a lot of people that reported to us, and we did some research and we found out that student visas, tourist visas, and some work visa applicants applied for their visas, then they got denied, typically because of Section 214B. And then they scheduled an interview really fast, 2 weeks, a month, and a few months after that. And then their visa was canceled by email. So they were able to reschedule an interview. They were able to get a new interview appointment. They filled Form DS-160. They paid the fee, and the embassy canceled that interview because their system notified them that you already had an appointment before recently and you were canceled. So why is this happening? Now, remember, if you were canceled on Section 214B, that means you didn't have sufficient ties, which means you're not ready for that visa. The embassy itself has a system, maybe they use artificial intelligence. They want to minimize the amount of people going for interviews, wasting the time of consular officers, because, as you know, the Trump administration removed many consular officers from positions, and now these embassies are struggling to process these interviews. So if you go into an interview and you're not eligible again, you're going to waste the time of the consulate. So they are now canceling these appointments if they don't feel that you made enough efforts to change your circumstances from the last time you appeared. So if you're going to appear for your tourist visa appointment, now under this policy, they won't see you unless 6 months at least passed from that appointment. Again, it's not official, but it's something that we assume is they're expecting at least 6 months, maybe even a year, to show that circumstances have changed, or they'll be canceling your appointment, just like they've done for quite a few applicants recently. And that caused an alarm, and people are posting about it in many forums. And we got a lot of information that this is why they're doing it. Now, at the same time, the State Department has new policy right now. It's starting at the US Embassy in Manila. If you're not going to bring a full set of documents to your appointment, they will cancel your appointment at the day of your appointment. You're going to show up there. They're going to realize you're not prepared. They will cancel your appointment. And guess what? You're going to go to the back of the line. You're going to have to months to get a new appointment. Now, let's understand what documents actually you have to bring with you to avoid this cancellation. Before I tell you about these documents that are going to be implemented under this new policy starting May 19, let me tell you this. If you're watching this channel and you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe to our channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. And also give us a big like so YouTube will be able to show this video to more people just like you. As always, if you need help with your immigration matters, send me a text to 619-483-4549 or go to www.immigrationsap.com. Leave your details and one of our team members will contact you ASAP. As always, I'm here for you guys. Now, let's talk about the documents they want you to bring. Number one, a valid passport for at least 6 months. Number two, you have to bring all the civil documents, birth certificate, marriage certificate, divorce papers. If you don't have the originals, you're going to be in trouble. Number three, clearance, security clearance from the police. You need that. You need the original. They want that on the day of the interview. Next, affidavit of support form I-864, including all the original attachments, tax returns for the U.S. petitioner. If you don't have that, they won't see you. Next, form DS-260, confirmation page. You need that for the appointment. Otherwise, they will reschedule it. And finally, they will make sure you have your medical exam as well, proof of medical exam. Now, if you don't have any of these documents, after May 19, you go up to the appointment, they will cancel your appointment. You have to go back to the line and reschedule it. This is happening in Manila. It's going to move to other consulates like Lagos, Islamabad, Mumbai, and Rome, as far as we know right now. But there may be other embassies that will be added to that list. Why are they doing this? They're doing this because, again, they have limited number of staff. They don't have that many people that are working at these embassies and consulates because of the reduction of staff from the Trump administration. So they want to maximize what they can do on the day of the interview. If you're not come prepared, they're not going to be able to interview you. And as a result, your application will be revoked. So they don't want to do that. They want to say, listen, if you don't have the documents, we don't want to make a decision on your case. We're going to just cancel your interview and you're going to come back when you're ready. So May 19, after that, you have to have all the documents. Don't take a chance. Get your attorney to review what you have and make sure you come prepared for that interview. Now, if you have any questions or you're pending an interview, let me know in the comments which consulates, which embassy you're going to. And if it's going to be after May 19th, you're going to be subject to this policy if you're in Manila. But this is going to be rolling out slowly in many, many other embassies and consulates all over the world. Once again, guys, we always bring you the information once we have it. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comments below. And always share my videos with people that might need it. Or if you know somebody that is going through the process, just send them the link. They'll thank you, and I'll thank you as well. Thanks, guys, for watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.